make this sumptuous drumstick recipe with me and my kids. So it was fun making this with my children because it's been a while we've made anything together because they always go to school and I'm always creating my videos myself. But making it with them today felt a whole lot of fun and way. So first thing, I went ahead to salt the drumstick and use the salt to wash my drumstick. Then I went ahead with my soy sauce, my thyme, my curry, nutmeg, pepper, seasoning cube, and salt. Then I brought that and marinated it. I made sure I mixed this very well, and everything married each other, and that's the most important thing when you're making this recipe. I forgot to say I added ginger powder and garlic to my chicken and I massaged it very well. So after doing all of that, I set that aside and I actually left this in the freezer overnight because it was already late at this point. So I could not just shoot. The light in Nigeria is not consistent as you know it, and definitely I wanted to sleep. So I decided to just set this aside till morning. But if you're making yours after an hour, you can go ahead and start frying your chicken, coating it with flour and frying your chicken. But because I want to sleep, I want to rest, it's been a hectic day already, I decided I was going to do this tomorrow. So I just went ahead and put this in my freezer and let it marinate till this morning. Oh my god, by the time it was morning, you need to see how juicy this chicken looked. It looked so juicy. The whole ingredients from yesterday has entered deep into the chicken, and when you taste it, it's so soft, so yummy. Oh, I can't wait to do this again. So after coating my chicken, I dipped it in water, then I coated it for the second time again. I kept on coating, and before the last coating, I decided to get a little flour. I added chicken seasoning to it. I added garlic, I added some pepper, I added nutmeg. I didn't have time, I did not add curry, but you can add any of those to yours. So I gave this a very good mix. I gave this powder a very good mix and sprinkle it on my chicken. Then I make sure that the chicken collected all this powder, like it entered inside the chicken. And this style, it is unique, it is different, and it made the thing taste better than I expected it to taste. So if you want to make your own, just follow this style. This recipe is definitely a must. It is definitely a must try. And if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do well to subscribe, give us likes, comment. If you want us to give you a shout out, drop your name in the comment section and your location. I will give you a shout out on our next video. Thank you.